Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing good because if you read from my title, I finally got the new Ipsy Ultimate box. This is the October 2019. It is the very first one. So if you want to see what I got inside the Ipsy Ultimate box, then just keep on watching. All right, I am so excited. If you don't know, you have the regular Ipsy. What I usually do is like the Ipsy versus Ipsy. Then you have the Ipsy Plus, which is $25. The regular Ipsy just went up to $12 a month. You have the Ipsy Plus, that is $25. And you have the brand new Ipsy Ultimate, which is $50 a month. And I'm like, should I get this or not? Because this is quite expensive. Because with BoxyCharm, you have the BoxyLuxe, which is $50, but it's every 3 months. This is every month. But you are guaranteed to get 8 full-size items and 4 deluxe-size items. So, without further ado, let's see what I got. Let me cut the tape. I don't know. Depending on what we got in here, I'll decide if I'm going to cancel or not. All right, so when you open it up, it says Discover Yourself, and it's a little bit different from the Ipsy Plus. It has like, let me zoom in a little bit for you. That's what it looks like. Okay. And this comes in orange. Usually it's like yellow. All right, so that's what it looks like. That's with all the stuff. So let's see if there's a brochure. I feel like I have this new lip gloss on, and you ever get lip gloss that has like stringy? And I'm getting ready to take it off. Okay, so with this, you do get a bag in here, so that's what it looks like. This is the Betty Boop and Ipsy theme, and then right here is like sequins right there. So you have that. You have the little heart right here for the Betty Boop. And let's see when you open her up. Oh, I just closed it. And then inside is red, and it says Betty Boop and, I was going to say Morphe, and Ipsy. All right, so it looks like you do get a pamphlet, which is good. It says, don't forget the choice is yours. I believe you do get to pick something, because I did pick one thing that was in here, I'm remembering. All right, so you have all this, looks like that, but it doesn't have prices on here, where the Ipsy Plus usually has prices on here. So I don't see any prices. All right, so I'm going to pull out the first thing I see. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean. Now, I did pick this out. This is one of the options I was able to pick out, and I got this in a BoxyCharm before, and I really liked it. So this is like, what do you call it? A makeup melt away. So there we go. If you guys can see, and there's like a little spoon in there. I'm going to turn the lights down, so I will be right back. Okay, I hope that worked. So let me show you now. There is the Pharmacy Green. I am filming late at night, so it's dark out. So I turned the lights up, but I think it's a little too bright. All right, so we have that. The next thing we got is this Huda Beauty. This is the Warm Brown Obsessions. Now, in an Ipsy Plus, I think I got like the mauve one or something like that. I don't have the warm brown, but I do know these are $27. So it comes with a mirror, and these are really, really pretty, guys. That's gorgeous. Let me swatch a couple. Oh, yeah, they're nice and creamy, buttery. So I'll just swatch 4 shades for you. Let's see. Yeah, this is just like the regular Huda formula. Right there. All right, I'm definitely excited for that. And then we have 2 sheet masks. Now, I'm really surprised in a $50 subscription, we have 2 sheet masks, because you can get this in the regular $10, well, now it's $12, the regular Ipsy. And it's the Natural Avocado mask sheets. So that's weird, because you would think for one's deep conditioning and one's for protecting. You would oh no, these are hair masks. No, they're sheet mask. They're sheet mask. I'm just surprised to get these. But all right, let's move on. The next thing is from Obsidian. This is a waterproof liquid eyeliner. Oh, from Kaleidos Cosmetics. Right there. All right. I hope it's not black, but let's see. This is in, which be? It doesn't say, but it's a liquid eyeliner. So I'm probably put this in a giveaway. I don't really do like liquid eyeliners on top anymore because with aging, my eyes are like really getting hooded. So I usually use just a pencil and then I would put it in my waterline. So I know I won't get too use out of this, so I'll put this in a future giveaway. But let's see what it says, if it says the shade. It looks like it's in black. So, and it's like a felt tip right there. All right. Then we have this Betty Boop and Ipsy blush, palette right there. And this will go in a future giveaway. I might have a giveaway in this video because I did get the Betty Boop and Ipsy collection. So I got the full collection. And so right there I have the blush palette. So I'll just show you what it looks like. And I don't need two. And I'll put this in a giveaway. So we'll have a giveaway today. So there you go. You have the Betty Boop. So pretty. I used to love Betty Boop when I was a kid. All right. So that's what it looks like right there. It does have a protector for the mirror. Okay. I'll put that back when it's over. What I'll probably do is keep this one and give you the one that's out of there, the one that's not open. All right. The next thing we got is a Reflect lip gloss. This is from, oh, I don't even know how to pronounce that. CS Moi? Oh, no. And I love lip gloss. I really do. This is in the shade, I can't read it. I'll leave it right here. Let me know when you guys open things up, do you usually always have to rip like the packaging? Oh, that's really pretty. So this is, I don't know if this is a deluxe sample or a full size. This is really pretty. Yeah, you're not even going to be able to see this. It's a very, it's like clear. And it doesn't really have a scent, which I like more of like a little cakey scent, but I mean, it's lip gloss, so I really don't care. Love that. I'll definitely try it. Then we have from Fair, we have 3 brushes. I remember when the first Ipsy came out, you had like a 5-piece face brush set, and I wasn't able to get on off the waiting list in time. So this is the Midnight Pro Trio. It just says this trio of brushes is of Luxury Plus. They are designed by a team of beauty lovers and 100% vegan and cruelty free. All right, so I like that. So let's open her up. All right, I got it. So we have 3 brushes here. Oh, these have like a bluish tip to it. Really pretty. So if you guys can see, there are some that are out like this. But once I wash them, I'll, put them back. But they're very soft. I like my brushes a little bit more dense, but I do like it. I like the fact that you have you have these dividends right here where you can like hold your brushes. So I like that. So you have this type of brush, which I would probably use for like bronzer or contouring. Then we have, let's see, this is very soft. Another one that looks like this. I don't know. Maybe this would be contour. I'm not sure. But last but not least is, so pretty. This looks like it would be like a foundation brush or a concealer brush. But I love brushes, and I'm glad to get them. I don't know the prices. Usually the Fair brushes are quite expensive. But they're pretty, and I love the fact that they have, I don't know how much you can see, but it does have like a bluish tint to it. All right, like that. So then we have a Colored Rain eyeshadow, and this I'll probably put in today's giveaway. see. That's a really pretty shade. I don't want to open it because I'm going to put it in a giveaway. But I don't tend to go for loose like single eyeshadows. So I'd rather give it to one of you guys to get some use out of it. The next thing is from Leo? This is a serum. Hydrate, moisturizing, and balance. Okay, let me read up on this a little bit. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Okay, this is from BR Race. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. This is a hydrating treatment serum. It says to apply a small amount of serum to the entire face for ultimate hydration that lasts all day. Avoid eye area. All right, so let's see. Okay, it's all taped up, so I'm not going to open it. Looks like it has like a little pump, and I'm definitely excited for that. This is definitely a deluxe size. This is a Unicorn Glow Primer, which I will put that in today's giveaway. Then we have the Very Best Cream. So it looks like a moisturizer. And last but not least, we have a Lemon Clay Mask. So let's recap what we got. And do we think it's worth $50? Okay. The first thing, which will be in today's giveaway, is the Betty Boop Cheek, the blush palette, which I will give you the one out of that there, the one that's not open. Okay, so you will get that. Then we got this cream, which will be in today's giveaway. We have a clay mask, but it's like it's not filled, not even halfway. So we have that. We have a lip gloss, which I'm definitely going to keep. It's really, really pretty. So we got that. We have a Colored Rain, a single eyeshadow, which I'm going to put in today's giveaway for one of you guys. We got the Farrah brushes, and of course I'm going to keep them because I love brushes. We have the Huda Warm Brown Eyeshadow Palette, which love this. And then we got the serum. We got the liquid eyeliner, which I'm going to put in today's giveaway, and then a primer, which I'm going to put in today's giveaway. We also got, this is what I picked out, which I love this. This is the Pharmacy Melt Away. It's kind of like the Clinique Take Your Day Away, Take Your Day Off, I'm not sure. And you get a bag. So do I think this is worth $50? So I look at like FabFitFun, which is $50. I look at Boxy Luxe, which is $50. And they're only quarterly. This is every month. Everything I got in here, you did get more of, but you can definitely get this in an Ipsy Plus, which is $35 a month. Or some of the items you can get in the $12 bag. I don't know. I'm going to give this one more month to see. But I don't know what to think, because with Boxy Luxe, it's $50, but you get all full-size items. And you usually get over $300 worth of value. Same as FabFitFun. I don't know. Let's go over again. Let's put this down. What will be in today's giveaway, and I'll go over the rules. So again, you will get the Betty Boop blush palette. Like I said, you'll get the other one I didn't open. The cream, the mask, the primer, the eyeshadow, and the liner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 items you will get in the giveaway. The only thing that you have to do is be subscribed, because I enjoy giving back to you guys. I really do. I appreciate you guys so much. You have to rate the video, so either like it or dislike it. So thumbs it up or thumbs it down. I prefer that you thumbs it up, but whatever you do, it does help me out, so you do that. You have to comment. You can comment anything that you want. I use a comment picker, so the more that you comment, the better your chances are. So if you want to comment 5 times, 20 times, 50 times, 100 times, it's totally up to you. And you have to watch this video in full, because that does help me out, and it does help me out with the shipping cost. But that's everything. You don't have to do anything else. So make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you comment. Make sure that you rate the video and watch this whole video in full. That is it. Easy peasy. I will put in the description box when this giveaway is over. I usually have it for a couple weeks. And let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you think this is worth $50? Oh, and we got the sheet mask. That's right. How can I forget the sheet mask? And you definitely get this in the $12 bags. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think of it. Do you think I'm overreacting? If you do, read me the filth down in the comment section. I don't know. Let me know what you think. If you got Ipsy Ultimate, what did you get? What are you getting? Let me know all the tea because I'm very undecided. I will definitely do one more month. But then after that, I don't know if I'm going to pay $50 every month. I don't know. All right, that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know, and I truly appreciate you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.